Many people are advised by their landlord that they need to get renter's insurance. So the next question is if renter's insurance is required by law. I'm Eric from Effective Coverage, and unless there's a local ordinance somewhere in the U.S. that I'm not aware of, the answer is no. Renter's insurance is not required by law. But there's a little more to it than just that, so let's discuss. Insurance is not required by public law in any state, but the lease you signed, whether a new lease or renewal, has the force of law because it's a binding contract. You signed that lease saying you'll meet the obligations of that lease, just like you agree to pay rent. If there's a provision in there requiring you to have renter's insurance, you need to abide by that provision. You signed the lease after reading it thoroughly and understanding what's in there. But did you ever ask why you're being required to even have a renter's insurance policy? You're required to have renter's insurance because it simplifies things for everyone involved after a loss. If you negligently damage the property, there's coverage there for you. If something happens to your personal property, again, there's coverage there as well. It's a very common misconception that a landlord has a responsibility for the contents of your unit. That is completely incorrect. So ultimately, is renter's insurance required by law? Well, the answer is no. Is renter's insurance required by your lease? Probably. So, is renter's insurance a good idea? Absolutely. Does renter's insurance help to avoid misunderstandings? You bet. If you want to learn more about getting renter's insurance, well, just stay tuned for more in our series of Insurance Answers for Renters. And feel free to submit your insurance question to Effective Coverage. Don't forget that you can get renter's insurance at effectivecoverage.com or by giving us a call and speaking with one of our insurance experts. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.